In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and save an image sent on your email to your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have this email here, and if I tap on it, you can see it is in terms of a photo. So I'll wish to download this photo straight to my computer. In most cases, you should see we have a download option on here. However, if you don't have this option to download it, then just go ahead and tap on the image, and then you should see on top here you have the three lines. Go ahead and tap on the three lines, and you have now the first option, save. If you tap on save, now this will go ahead and download and save the image on your phone. Now if I go to gallery here, now you can see the image is here. It has been saved straight to my phone. So that's how you can save or download an image sent to your email onto your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.